Gentlemen, good afternoon. I hope you are well. Today we're running a tutorial on my new automated market maker. So basically this gives you a huge advantage over everyone else that is LP farming. It does things humanly not possible. It can 24 hours a day manage your range for you. So basically I built this to help me LP farm. So if I'm away or I'm sleeping, it can make sure I'm in a tight range like 0.25 and I'm earning a lot of fees and I'm also in range. If I go out of range, it puts me back in range. If I want to compound my fees, it does that. So that's the two main things it does. It keeps you in range, keeps you earning fees 24 hours, and it compounds your fees back in. This is very hard to lose money on a long-term basis if you're running a very small range, unless the market takes a massive dive. That's the only thing I would say. In a sideways market, this is going to print you money left, right, and center. Most people are earning well over 1% a day using this. But I'll show you how to quickly get started. So we have BNB USDT. You can pick any pool you like, any range. It's up to you. It's fully customizable. It's built on top of Pancakeswap. So it's not our protocol. We aren't in charge of your funds. We are just helping to deposit on Pancakeswap and we manage the range. That's what the protocol does. It doesn't hold your NFT. It doesn't custody your funds. It's fully safe. If our platform goes down, you go to Pancakeswap, you withdraw from there. Yeah, or the contract directly. We don't hold funds again. So it's very safe to use. If anything goes wrong with the site, like I said, you can just withdraw like normal. So we're going to go with a range here. Now you notice you have four positions here. PancakeSwap charge a different fee for the LP that they're providing. If you're unsure, check with me. I'll give you some advice around what works. But typically, the one with the highest volume is usually the best one to go to. And it takes experience to get used to, could a 0.25 be better to use? So we're going to go with a 0.01%, which is very, very low, but it's very high volume. We're going to click our range here and we're going to go with 0.5%. However, we're going to go in with a widened position. So that means the 0.5% becomes 1% after that. And I also want it to auto compound the fees at 50 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and deposit this like so. So when the first time you actually deposit something, you'll probably have to check in about 4 or 5 times. You'll have to approve the transaction 4 or 5 times because you have to approve USDT, you have to approve wrapped BNB, and also if you haven't got wrapped BNB, you'll be unwrapping, or you'll be wrapping your BNB as well. So here we have it. This is our level. Now we've got some fees and we're already earning some fees here. We have a range here. So what's going to happen now is if it goes in range, it stays in range, you'll just be earning fees and it will accumulate here. Once it gets to 50 cents, the protocol will automatically compound it in. 100% of it will be compounded in. You may get a few cents here and there in your leftover in your wallet, but that will get compounded later on. Now, if it goes out of range, what will happen is the bot will stall and it will wait 5 minutes. It will basically wait about 1 hour for you to go back in range. After that 1 hour is gone, it'll wait 5 minutes and it will trigger you back into range. It will swap automatically on PancakeSwap and deposit your funds back in, create a new NFT for you. That protocol is actually run by PancakeSwap. It's called their T-swap. So we don't actually swap, we don't actually control NFTs. They do it all. So it's basically they have something got built in where we've used and built on top of it. Like I said before, and it will put you back in range. It will swap half and half. If you're doing a meme coin or something, very low market cap or very thin liquidity and there's, big slippage, it will do a one-sided position. So if we fail to swap, it will do a one-sided position equal to your range. And it will also, because we've got the widen position, what it's going to do is we've got 0.5% here, but we'll have 1% each way here. And at any point, you can claim your fees here, like so, directly to your wallet. You can compound as well manually. When you manually compound, you don't pay any fees. You don't pay any protocol fees to us or the platform, which brings us to the protocol fees. You may notice that it's a 20% yield. If you hold SpaceX Bank, you will only pay 10%. Now you might think, well, 20% is really high. all of that or most of that will be going to gas fees. The protocol is completely gasless. The wallet called the Keeper wallet is paying the gas for the protocol. For you swapping, compounding, you pay no gas at all. It's all done on a protocol. We pay it all. However, later on we will be upgrading where the user pays it, and then we'll be able to drop our fee down to 1%. The protocol will hopefully make some profit, and from there on in, we're going to be buying back with the token, buying the SpaceX token, SpaceX Bank token, and moving on from there. So, guys, I wish you all the best and take care.